Good morning, my dear panelists. I am Janelle A. Sumalinog, an applicant in Talibon 1 Central Elementary School. I graduated computer programming, NC4. Computer programming is a process that professionals use to write code that shows how a computer, a software, or an application performs. So this time, let's start with the basic, which is the Microsoft Office. So this time I'm going to use Microsoft Excel. So this time I'm going to show to you how to uh, make grades. Okay, so this time here we are going to compute the performance task, the written work, and the quarterly assessment of each of the 10 students. So let's start with the performance task first. Okay, so let's start the first student from activity 1 up to conduct. So this time, let us get the total score of it. So all we have to do is to use the much easier one, which is highlight activity 1 up to conduct. Okay, then press Alt in your computer and the equal sign. Okay, then, okay, so it would be time consuming if you will do that one by one. So this time we will move the cursor to the right portion, and if you could see the plus sign on it, so we will have to drag it down until the last student. Okay, so now you got the total score. This time we will get the percentage score of the student in the performance test. So this time we will click the equal sign, uh, click J13, which is the total score of that student, then divided by 119, which is the total score, and then multiplied it by 100. Okay, there you got it. Okay, click enter and then drag it until the last student. Okay, so this time let us move on to the next step, which is we will have to get the 50% of the performance task. So all you have to do is to get, type the equal sign, click, okay, get the percentage score, and then multiplied it by 0.50. Okay, so this time, okay, click enter and then drag it down until the last student. And there you got it. Next, let's move on to the written work. Okay, so same student. So all you have to do is we already have the written work here. So all you have to do is to get the total score. So all you have to do is to highlight. Okay, again, click Alt and then equal sign. Then you got it. Then now let's move in to the left, to the right corner. So we will move it down until the last student, and then you got it. Next, we will get the percentage score of it. So same process, equals, then click E38 divided by 75, which is the total score, then multiply it by 100. Okay, next, okay, drag it down. Okay, next step. Okay, so all you have to do is to click equal sign, click F38, and then multiply it by 0.30 because we will get the 30% of it. Okay, so let's drag it down. Now let's move on to the quarterly assessment. So this time we will get the percentage score of the student. So we will click H38, then divided by 60, then multiply it by 100. Okay, then you will click enter and then drag it down. Next, we will get the 20% of the score of each student. So all you have to do is to click equal sign. Okay, multiply it by 0.20. Okay, drag it down. Okay, and then you got it. Okay, next, okay, is we will get the initial grade. So all you have to do is to add it all. So equal sign, click L13, and then we will add. Next is the written work. Next is the 20%. And there you got it. Okay, and then we'll drag it down. Okay, thank you.